Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest innovations and tools shaping the future of technology. Today, we're exploring a fascinating new tool called xtool, a cross-platform replacement for Xcode that allows developers to build and deploy iOS apps using Swift Package Manager, not just on macOS, but on Linux and Windows too. So, imagine this. You're a developer who loves the iOS ecosystem, but finds yourself juggling multiple systems just to get your projects done. Well, xtool could be a game changer here. It's designed to replicate the traditional Xcode functionality, but with a twist, using open standards that make it accessible across different operating systems. Isn't that exciting? Let's break it down a little. Xtool is essentially a command line interface that provides a wide range of functionalities for building iOS apps. You can create new SwiftPM projects, run them, and even manage your authentication with Apple Developer Services, all from your command line. But you might be wondering, how does this look in practice? Picture this. You start with your terminal open, you type in a simple command, and voila, you have a brand new SwiftPM project ready to go. And what's particularly cool is that you can build your app, sign it, and install it directly onto your device, all without having to toggle between different applications or environments. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but how do I get started with this? That's where the guide comes in. xtool provides installation instructions for various systems, whether you're on Linux, Windows, or macOS. You'd find that it's quite straightforward to get up and running. And speaking of straightforward, let's chat about some of the subcommands available. For instance, if you want to create a new project, there's a command for that. Just type xtool new and off you go. Want to list all your devices attached for testing? There's a command for that too. And if your app is ready to launch, you just install it using a simple command instead of navigating through menus. It's really about enhancing productivity and keeping developers in their flow. So here's a thought-provoking question for you. How do you think tools like xtool could change the landscape for developers? Will it make coding more inclusive, giving access to those who may not have a Mac at home? As we wrap up today's episode, I want to remind you of the key takeaways. xtool is pushing the boundaries of iOS development by allowing cross-platform capabilities, simplifying the development process with its command line interface, and fostering accessibility with open standards. It's an exciting time for developers everywhere. Thanks for joining me today on Tech Talk Today. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know what you think about the future of cross-platform development. Until next time, keep innovating.